Hi everyone, this is the Starry Master. In this class, we will continue our mathematical series and we will see example 1.11 from chapter relation and function. So let's go into the video. Here in 1.11, the value of the set of A given and set of B are given and the function is on A to B and the equation f of x are given and access to find an arrow diagram and a table form and its set of order pair and a graphical form. So we have to start this. First of all, we have to take this A as x. Okay, then we have to solve this equation. F of x is equal to 3x minus 1. So we have to take first x f of, in place of x we have to put the value of a starting, okay, 1. So 3 into 1 minus 1, in place of x we have to put 1, okay. 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2, okay. So first value over, then in second, so f of 2 equal to 3 into 2 minus 1, 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, okay. Then f of the third value is 3. 3 into, in place of x we have to put 3 minus 1, 3 3s are 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, okay. F of 4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 1, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. By using this we have to make an graph, sorry, arrow diagram, okay. And we have to mark A and B, okay. Then the value of A 1 2 3 4 we have to write here, and the value of B 2 5 8 11 14 we have to write here. The function is on A to B, so we have to take, if it is 1 then it is 2, so we have to make a line A to B. If the value of A is 2, then f of x should be 5, so 2 to 5. If x is 3, then f of x should be 8, so 3 to 8. If x is equal to 4, then f of x should be 4 to 11. So we have to make like this arrow diagram. Then we have to write this as in table form. So we have to write first of all x and this here f of x. So we have to write the value of x, 1 2 3 4, and the value of y, f of x, okay. If 1 means it is 2, then it is 2 means it is 5, for 3 it is 8, and for 4 it is 11. Then we have to make an table for it, okay. That's all. And we have to take this and write in a set of order pair. So what is set of order pair? Sub f is equal to, you have to take 1 comma 2, okay. Then 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 8, 4 comma 11. That's all. And we have to point this in graphical form, okay. So it is x make, and it is y. Let's start from 0. So we have to make 1 2 3 4 5 like that, okay. And for y also same, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 like that we have to take, okay. Then we have to mark 1 comma 2. Okay, so x should be 1 and y should be 2. So 1 comma 2, we have to mark here 1 comma 2. Then 2 comma 5, like this is x y x y. So x should be 2 and y should be 5. So here, okay, 2 comma 5, and for 3 it is x y x y. Okay, for 3 it is 8. For x is equal to 3, it is 8. 3 comma 8. For x is equal to 4, it is 11. So it is 4 comma 11. We have to, and we have to make an join for this line. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, give it a like, share to your friends, and leave a comment. I will post my videos oftenly. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to get all our latest updates, and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.